In December 2025, Meta acquired Manus, an autonomous AI agent startup, in a deal valued at between $2 billion and $3 billion. The move comes after Meta's $70 billion bet on the Metaverse failed to gain meaningful traction, while the company also fell behind Google and OpenAI in the AI race. Against this backdrop, the acquisition of Manus seems to signal a strategic shift, away from its speculative bet on the Metaverse and towards owning the layer of AI that actually gets things done. In this episode, we analyse the real reasons Meta acquired Manus, and whether the deal represents a true strategic pivot or another effort to catch up in an AI race that has already moved on. Manus is an AI startup founded by Chinese entrepreneur Xiao Hong in 2022. The company was originally incubated in Beijing under the name Butterfly Effect Technology, but was subsequently relocated to its current headquarters in Singapore in 2025 due to rising tensions between the US and China in the tech sector. Manus specializes in general AI agents, essentially providing a platform where an AI agent can autonomously execute complex tasks for users. Unlike simple chatbots that respond to one prompt at a time, Manus's agent plans and performs multi-step projects independently across various domains. For example, in a demo that went viral in early 2025, Manus showcased its AI agent screening job candidates, planning detailed vacation itineraries, and analyzing stock portfolios. Manus launched its subscription-based service to the public in spring 2025 and quickly built a massive following. Within just 8 months of launch, the company announced it had surpassed $100 million in annual recurring revenue from paying subscribers. Crucially, the company achieved this traction without heavy spending on marketing. In late December 2025, news broke that Meta had acquired Manus, with reports placing the deal value in the $2 billion to $3 billion range. With this context in mind, we now turn to why Meta made this acquisition and what it hopes to achieve. Several converging factors made Manus an attractive and timely target for Meta. First, Meta is racing to bolster its AI capabilities across its products, and Manus brings a proven general AI agent platform that Meta could immediately deploy at scale. Rather than just acquiring an AI research lab or another large language model, Meta is buying an application that has already demonstrated market fit and revenue. Secondly, Manus's technology fills key gaps in Meta's portfolio. Prior to this, Meta's forays into AI assistants, such as the Meta AI chatbot, were relatively limited, useful for answering questions or simple tasks, but not the kind of autonomous workflow executor that Manus is. In contrast, Manus's AI agents can interface with tools like browsers and coding environments, manage long sessions, and produce outputs like reports, code, or plans with minimal supervision. This has enormous synergy with Meta's social and communication products. For example, Meta's WhatsApp Messenger is used by millions of small businesses to chat with customers, and Manus's AI could automate customer Q&As, order taking, or marketing messaging. Another strategic reason is competitive positioning. The AI landscape is fiercely competitive, with Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, Amazon, and others all investing in their own AI assistants and agents. Meta, which came late to the generative AI frenzy, likely saw Manus as a way to leapfrog ahead in the agent arena. Google has begun integrating AI across Workspace and Android, and Microsoft's Copilot is embedding AI in Office and Windows, but these are largely single-step assistants for tasks like email drafting or image creation. Manus's agent goes further towards autonomous project completion. Owning Manus gives Meta a distinctive capability that its rivals can't easily match in the short term. In the coming months and years, we can expect Manus's capabilities to be woven deeply into Meta's product ecosystem. For example, Manus's agent could power a more sophisticated chatbot in WhatsApp, Messenger, and Instagram. Instead of just answering questions, the agent will be able to handle complex customer service dialogues, coordinate tasks, or make decisions on behalf of a business. For instance, a small business using WhatsApp could have the AI agent manage their entire presence, including automatically responding to customer inquiries, processing orders, scheduling appointments, and even initiating follow-ups. Meta has also hinted at offering personal AI personas for regular users. With Manus, Meta can develop a genuinely useful personal agent for every user, something that helps you manage daily tasks and information. Imagine a Facebook or Instagram integrated agent that can, for example, help you plan an event by coordinating in chat with your friends, or manage your holiday shopping by finding products, comparing prices, and tracking orders. However, we can expect reactions from key competitors. Meta's bold bet signals that controlling the agent layer of AI is becoming a strategic priority. We can expect companies like Google and Microsoft to accelerate their own agentic AI efforts. Google may now evolve Google Assistant from a voice Q&A tool into a more powerful autonomous agent that can handle complex tasks, leveraging capabilities from Google DeepMind or upcoming Gemini models. Microsoft may embed more autonomy into its Copilot systems so they can execute multi-step actions in Windows or Office on behalf of users. There is also Apple, which has stayed relatively quiet in the AI assistant race. Apple might be prompted to advance Siri or its device integration with AI to avoid falling behind if Meta offers compelling AI features in its devices. So does the Manus acquisition mark a genuine turning point for Meta? For now, it's likely a strategic reset rather than a decisive win. Manus does not close the gap with OpenAI or Google overnight, but it does signal a clearer strategic shift towards AI that delivers practical outcomes. By betting on the execution layer, where AI actually performs work, Meta is redefining how it intends to compete. If it can successfully embed Manus across its platforms and reach billions of users in everyday workflows, this deal may prove to be the moment Meta stopped chasing the AI race and started reshaping it.